Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share a little bit of pampering with you guys. So I'm going to be doing my skincare. I wanted to share my at-home nail routine, and then I wanted to share this drink with you guys, which is why we're here in my kitchen. So I guess I'll start with this. This is the Aloe Gorgeous from Aura, the vegan collagen boosting powder supplement. I love this because it's full of vitamin C and E. It's really great with boosting your collagen production. It has a lot of amino acids in it, and it's got bamboo silica, it has aloe, so it's a vegan collagen powder if you're looking for something like that. It's also gluten-free and organic, and it tastes amazing. So what I like to do with this, either I'll put a scoop in my smoothies every morning, or I'll blend it with some oat milk. This is my favorite brand of oat milk. This is the Oatly full fat. It tastes delicious. It's very creamy. So what I'm going to do today though is I'm actually going to blend it with half of the oat milk and then half water, because we're trying to use our ingredients or our groceries very sparingly to cut down on the amount of times we have to order or go out to shop right now during quarantine. Okay, so here is what the powder looks like, and I'm just going to take a scoop of this, so a full scoop, about like that, into my mug. Isn't this mug so cute? I found it at Anthropologie and I had to get it. Look, it says tea right there. So adorable. Anyways, so then I'm just gonna pour in half of the Oatly, and then we'll do the rest. That was a little less than half, but it's okay. The rest with water, and this has a really nice sweet flavor. Actually, what is it sweetened with? So this is sweetened with coconut sugar. So it has a little bit of sugar in it, but not too much, and it tastes so delicious. And I just whisk it together like this. It tastes just like a vanilla milkshake if you like that. It doesn't have that chalky aftertaste or anything like other protein powders and other collagen powders that I've tried in the past. This one blends really well and it tastes amazing. So first I wanted to share my at-home nail routine with you guys. I've had a few requests for this and I just keep it very simple. I almost always do my nails at home anyway, so the quarantine hasn't really affected me. I just use a hydrating nail polish remover because my nails tend to be a little bit dry, and then I like to buff them out using this nail block and just a basic nail file. And then I like to use a cuticle oil. You could use coconut oil, olive oil, whatever you have at home. This is one that I got in a subscription box a very long time ago, but it's lasted me forever. And then I don't like to be too aggressive with my cuticles. I use a little tool to push them back, but I just try to keep it very simple. And I've been using a base and a top gel coat from London Town, and they actually sent me a few products to try out, and I really like this a lot. It gives a really nice base. It keeps your polish on longer. And then I'm also using a color by them as well. This is in the shade Afternoon Tea, which I mainly selected because I love the name, but it's a beautiful milky pink color. It does take a couple of coats to become opaque, so I typically do about 2 to 3 coats of this one, and then after I'm done with that, I just apply the gel top coat, and it leaves a really nice glossy finish. And this normally lasts on my nails for about a week and a half, but recently, since I've been washing my hands more often, a little bit less. Okay, now moving on to my skincare routine, which is my favorite part of a pamper night. I've been using a coconut oil to remove my eye makeup because I haven't been using any waterproof mascara or anything. So this is the Dr. Bronner's organic coconut oil. So I just warm it up between my fingers to melt it, because you know it is solid at room temperature. And then I use a cotton round to remove it. I very gently hold the cotton round on my eye and kind of wiggle it down so that I don't pull on my eye area. And then for cleanser, I've been using the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. This is one of my all-time favorite products. I've talked about it time and time and time again. I've also used the regular version of this, but it's a very luxurious pampering treatment. It just melts right into your skin, melts off all of your makeup. It smells amazing. This one smells like roses, and then the regular version smells more herbal and kind of like a spa treatment, but it's just a very calming cleanser, and I think it's great for all skin types. It's really hydrating without being too oily, and it doesn't leave a weird residue on your skin. I I do like to double cleanse my skin, so once I remove my makeup using the balm cleanser, I go in with the clarifying clay cleanser from Rin, and I like this because it's a kaolin clay, but it also has chamomile and lavender. It helps to reduce redness, it cleans your pores without being too drying. For treatment, I wanted to use the peeling solution that I mentioned in my last skincare favorites video from The Ordinary. It's an AHA, it has glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid. It's very effective and strong. It also looks really crazy when you use it, but it helps with uneven skin tone, fine lines, breakouts. It is such an amazing peel. It makes your skin glow. Now, I've been using it since the beginning of this year. I'm pretty sure I got it at the end of December, and it's really helped with hyperpigmentation that I have in acne scarring. Now, it does tingle, so be prepared if you have more sensitive skin. I typically just leave mine on for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it off, but the bottle says you can leave it on for 10 minutes. But anytime I get breakouts, I use this and they go away almost immediately the next day. For toner, I'm using the Indie Lee CoQ10 toner. It's full of hyaluronic acid, it has papaya, cucumber, and chamomile. It leaves your skin feeling really refreshed, and I love that it's in a spray bottle. And then the serum that I've been using is this one from The Ordinary. It's a hyaluronic acid. I'm on the very last drop, so you guys know what I'm getting from the Sephora sale. But I really like this one. It's very hydrating, and I've used a lot of different brands, and this one is super affordable. It's under $10. Now, it is a little bit sticky when you first apply it, but it absorbs really quickly. For moisturizer, I'm using the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Moisturizer. I really like this because it's great for normal combination skin. It's got a really nice velvety finish. It's very hydrating. It has vitamin C, green tea, a lot of antioxidants and peptides, and it leaves your skin really hydrated. And then I'm going to go in with a couple of drops of the Ordinary Rosehip Oil. Now, what I like about this is that it's an organic, cold-pressed rosehip oil that is super affordable. It's less than $10, and I'm doing this because I wanted to show you guys how I've been using my tool. This is the gua sha that I mentioned in my skincare favorites video. This is the rose quartz, but they have different versions that you can find, and it's basically something that you can do to help stimulate your circulation and helps promote your lymphatic drainage. And I just start on my neck and work my way up. Now, you don't want to do this very hard, so I'm not scraping on my skin. I'm just doing a very gentle motion. It does make your skin a little bit red when you do it. I typically do about 10 to 15 passes on each area. But yeah, it just makes your skin feel really smooth, look a lot more plump. It helps with puffiness. If you have any tension, if you clench your jaw, which I have a problem with, it really helps with that too. So what I typically do is I'll start on my neck. I do the side, the middle, and then the opposite side. And then I go along my jawline, and then I do kind of from my smile line up towards my ear, and then I go around my eye, on my brow bone, and then on my forehead. Then I just repeat those motions on the opposite side. So I start on my jawline, then take it from my smile line, angled up towards my ear, around my eye, on my brow bone, and then on my forehead. And then after that, I take it from my nose up to the top of my head just to get that area between my brows. I also apply this lash serum before I go to bed at night. It's from New Lash. I've talked about it before on my channel, but it's full of a lot of vitamins and peptides, and it helps your lashes grow. It keeps them healthy. You do have to be consistent with it, so make sure you use it for at least a month before expecting results. And then now I'm applying my spot treatment that I got from Rin. It's the part of the same Clear Calm collection that I used for my cleanser. I'm also going to apply a little bit of this essential oil roller from Sage Wellness. It has peppermint and fennel and sandalwood and lemon. It's very refreshing. Alright you guys, so that's it for my skincare routine and a little bit of pampering. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me today. I'm gonna go and hang out with this little guy who's been down here very patient while I've been doing this. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!